Hey everyone, emergency warning. Many tokens today are claiming to be part of a Shiba Inu ecosystem. At this time, only 3 tokens officially form a part of the SHIB token ecosystem, which will increase in the future. Right now, they're working on these 3. We're going to be having a lot of more coins, but at the moment, there's only Shib, Leash, and Bone, and Shiba Swap in the decentralized exchange. Now, Shiba Swap not growing much due to the high fees, hopefully in the future, but Shiba Token and Shiba Swap are only the official sites, as you can see here, and Shiba Inu ecosystem, 3 tokens only, Shib, Leash, and Bone. And, there's also Ryoshi. Ryoshi's vision is its own project. However, we love to contribute to the ecosystem, as we can see over here. So that's something to consider, because there's a lot of coins actually saying, that it's basically its own project. It's not really, but this is the SHIB ecosystem, nothing else. Any other token claiming otherwise is being deceptive from what I can see so far. And there's been a lot of talk about, other coins coming into the ecosystem, trying to get you to buy. Always do your own research. But Bone, Leash, and Shib, now Shib being the most dominating factor as whales do sell, we could be seeing massive increases in the near run. But right now, we're just growing. And why all quit playing? You want to know why the SHIB price is so low? It's because people whine and cry. Read the Doge tweets. They're uplifting. You want a price to go up. Recruit investors. It took Doge 5 years to make people rich. And the same thing is happening with SHIB. SHIB is still in infancy and will definitely increase. The price is low because the market cap is in the trillions. What needs to happen is everything what is being held needs to be burned off. And that's going to be completely possible. There's about 1 quadrillion tokens not on the market, but in total. And that it means that there's about 600 quadrillion tokens. 600 trillion tokens, and a lot of them are owned by whales, which can actually dump the market. But so is it, and I do think in the future, as we get burned through utility, we could see less and less of that, especially if we get some sort of buybacks with the DAO, with recommended, from some big whales recommending that Shiba Inu team does buybacks, which basically means with their profit from Shiba Swap, they would have to buy back Shib and Leash. And that would definitely increase the prices as well, as, Bone and Leash don't have much utility as of yet, but they do have plans in the future for the following years to come. And that's something I'm really excited. But why has Shib dropped so much lately? And a lot of people are very concerned about the prices. Yes, the prices do increase when we get listed on new exchanges, but they get dumped once again by the whales. Now, is this a big problem? No, this happens for everyone. This is just the short-term price. Obviously, a lot of people are very concerned when they want to instantly sell SHIB, but those of us that are looking for gains like half a penny are waiting for the long term. I thought we were progressing. It's low right now. And simple, no new buyers for SHIB, and that's definitely true. Looking at my analytics, tons of them on Webull. Sadly, that we just don't know. Got a few aware of Shiba Swap now, but I don't believe when transactions are done on their site, it does nothing for the coin value, like it's done with their exchange. Minimal volume from Webull. Since yesterday, trade volume went up by only 70 mil, but it counts. We need big exchanges like Coinbase and Robinhood, most of it from Shiba Swap, so I don't think Webull buyers are making any difference. So it is in fact right now that Webull is bringing in new buyers, but not as much as you might expect. That is because sites like Coinbase and all of these big sites, Robinhood, those are the ones that really do affect the prices. And actually not true. New holders are going up weekly. You can check the data. While new holders are coming in, it's not enough for the whales that are selling off SHIB. And Shiba Inu is not really dropping. It's not really a dead coin. It's just being stable. But as mentioned in my previous posts, we're doing nothing to cut down on enormous outstanding supply. So many people are demanding a quick burn, a buyback. Instead of rewarding ex-SHIB holders with more SHIB, we're rewarding them with other coins like Ryoshi, Leash, and Bone. All of which non-decreased outstanding supply or increased market share. And this has 158 upvotes, and this definitely means something. Even if Leash explodes, the increase has zero effect whatsoever on SHIB. And if they don't want SHIB holders to bang unless we stake them for other coins, with gas fees so high, everything built around, people are not happy with the high gas fees, and that's why they're trying to fix things. The Shiba Inu devs have announced Shibarium, which is going to be its own increase, is going to be its own development. But right now, there's a lot of FUD around here, and this is what causes people to sell and why SHIB prices drop. FUD is out there, and right now, people that FUD do in fact decrease the price, because as we can see, people are doing different things. I bought 4 billion worth of SHIB in April, staked it as provide liquidity. I have traded my Bone rewards for SHIB, and I'm doing my part. I don't expect many users to do this. They don't have to, etc., etc. So in the Shiba Swap ecosystem is doing something, but it's a slow progress versus instant. So Shiba Inu does have value. It does have utility, but to see those effects, it's going to take some time. Also, for investment in the swap native coins are awarded to you for free. So you can see Ethereum gas fees, and there's strong gas fees like $88, and that's what's causing a lot of people not to invest, as we are seeing Ethereum 2.0 in only like 2023 or even less. A lot of Shiba Inu holders are not using Shiba Swap simply. Is Shiba Swap a failure? Probably not. Most likely, all of these coins need time to grow, and Shiba Inu being only 6 months here, I definitely do think we're going to be seeing other growth. But Ethereum price breaks $3,500 and hits 3-month highs against Bitcoin. Now, Ethereum growing is like simply crazy to me, while Shiba Inu does not grow as much, like other cryptocurrencies do not grow as much either. Some are popping off in the market, but the second largest cryptocurrency reaches its best levels against Bitcoin and dollar in more than 3 months. So, altcoins are going to be coming back soon with Ethereum growing, as we're bound to Ethereum until we get on our own blockchain. This is seriously going to affect the Shiba Inu's price. So Cardano has been growing, with a 100% plus price rally in August. We are also going to be seeing others growing. So holding the Ether's run above 3,500 coincides with a decline in Ethereum reserves across all exchanges. Blockchain analytics firm CryptoQuant reported that the amount of Ether held in exchange wallets has declined from 19.45 million on August 18 to 18.75 million on Wednesday. Analysts perceive falling reserves as bullish, arguing that traders primarily withdraw their coins from exchanges because they chose to hold them instead of selling them for other assets. So the whales are holding right now, but the whales for Shiba Inu are probably selling off their coins to buy Ethereum and hold, because Ethereum is going very strong right now. A lot of people are buying in the supply, and that's what's causing the increase. Like, the whales are holding. They're not buying them. They're not selling them for other assets, and they're withdrawing their coins from exchanges because they want to hold them. So we are seeing really, really bullish signs for Shib, as this will increase Ethereum's price, but more upside cues for Ether prices have emerged due to supply squeeze prospects. CryptoQuant data shows that more than 6% of Ether supply now stands locked inside the Ethereum 2.0 smart contract, about 7.28 million Ethereum, worth 25 billion at current exchange rate. So that's locked. 6% of Ethereum supply is locked, and this is what Shiba Swap is trying to do. Obviously, the high gas fees are a big difference. A new Ethereum network update dubbed London Hard Fork has introduced a protocol that burns a fraction of its Ethereum gas fees. And, we already burned 555 million. And look at what happened with Ethereum's price. Like, all of that increases the demand, and it has climbed over 380% in 2021, while its gains boosted by emerging decentralized finance and non-fungible token sector. In comparison, Bitcoin has gained 62% year to date against the dollar. Together with accessibility of DeFi and the draw of better interest rates, more and more retail customers will likely return to the DeFi space. So it seems like Ethereum is growing, Ethereum rally is signaling the next bull market, and it's going to pull up Shiba Inu as well. But you can clearly see what's changing with these coins is actually the token burn, is actually all of these, and that is backed by science. All of these coins are backed by a huge token burn, either by huge whales and, no sell-offs. And that's causing big price levels that aren't expected before. But there are some crucial levels as Ethereum is going for it. What the American needs is tens of billions of dollars, and the state is going to take it from the American crypto community. So right now, they're going to be taxing crypto most likely from this research, quickly looking through this. But a Slovenian finance authority proposes 10% tax cut on crypto income. So being from Slovenia, what do you think about this? Do leave a comment down below, as Slovenian financial authorities have announced a proposal to tax cryptocurrency participants 10% on their asset income, specifically on purchasing and selling activities. So whenever you buy Shib or whenever you sell Shib in Slovenia, you would be taxed 10%. I'm really interested in your opinion on this, and really exciting stuff is happening. But a lot of countries are going for that adoption. They're going for regulation. Now, remarkable on-chain metrics could spell Bitcoin, Ethereum, and bull market returns. So we are, in fact, going to be seeing a bull market pretty much soon in the near future, as we're seeing the same patterns we saw in mid to late 2020. Bitcoin token transfers hit a 2-year high, and Bitcoin token transfer hit a 2-year high a few days ago. So this is really exciting to see. But also, with the NFTs growing, we are going to be seeing a lot of Shiba Inu NFT art out there. So how is this going to affect the price? Hopefully it's going to affect it very positively. I definitely do hope so, as NFT whale Pranksy pranked by fake Banksy for 97.7 Ethereum. NFT collector Pranksy has been refunded the 100 Ethereum spent on digital artwork to have composed by popular artists. So we can also see a Legislative Assembly of El Salvador approves 150 million Bitcoin trust. So we are only months away from big countries adopting Bitcoin and all of these cryptocurrencies. And this is going to prove very well for the cryptocurrency market and for both Shiba Inu. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, peace everyone.